We're ready on Randolph, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Madam Clerk?
David Randolph, the sentencing.
Oh, okay. Randolph. Okay, let me find him.
He's at 9 o'clock.
Oh, okay. This is case number Z805-6391, David Randolph, OWI City. Let's have appearances.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303.
Good morning, Judge Daniel R. P61807 on behalf of Mr. Randolph.
Let me have your appearance, Mr. Randolph. Let me have your name.
Hi, my name is David Randolph.
Thank you. House counsel, is there an offer?
Judge, this is for sentencing.
Okay.
This is for sentencing. I reviewed the report with my client. He indicated it is accurate. As far as the recommendation, we have nothing to add. We believe that's a fair recommendation.
What's the recommendation?
12 months probation, highway safety class, MAD, AA twice a month, inpatient if necessary, not inpatient, outpatient, and fines and costs.
All right, thank you. Madam Clerk?
Your Honor.
Oh, go ahead, Madam Prosecutor.
And I'm not sure if that was clear. I'm just making sure it says test twice monthly.
AA.
No, it's not AA, but it's testing for alcohol and drug screening twice monthly.
You get that, Attorney Arm?
Yes, I think that's no problem.
All right, Madam Clerk, would you swear Mr. Randolph in?
Yes. Mr. Randolph, could you please raise your right hand?
You should be up there already.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you?
Yes,
All right,
Thank you.
pay attention to me, Mr. Randolph. Did you have an opportunity today to speak to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
yes,
Did anyone threaten you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Judge, this is a sentence, not a plea. Judge, this is a sentencing, not a plea.
Oh, he's already pled.
Correct.
yeah, I pled guilty already.
Oh, all right. All right. All right. Attorney Arm, I think you told me that you and the prosecutor had agreed on a sentence.
Yeah, the probation issued a report and recommendation. We're okay with the recommendation.
Yes, and the people have no objection to what the probation department has recommended.
All right, the court will, I don't have the probation department's recommendation. That's why I want you to place it in the record. Madam Prosecutor, would you place it in the record what the probation office wants Mr.
Certainly, Your
Randolph to do?
Thank you, Your Honor. I sure will. For the record, the recommendation of the probation department recommends that the defendant be sentenced to a term of 12 months on probation with the following conditions: attend and be discharged in writing from an outpatient treatment program, test twice monthly for alcohol and drugs, attend and complete an alcohol highway safety education program, attend and complete the Mothers Against Drunk Driving Victim Impact Panel, pay $35 per month in supervision fees and pay all other court costs, fines and fees, period.
I had one question and one question only. My question is, is it possible for me to get approval to be able to commute to another location? Because I have my own bounce house business. I'm trying to leave out of Michigan for better opportunity for our business. I was just trying to see, can I get an approval to do that, considering I'm on probation?
You have permission to do what, sir?
I said I wanted to see, can I get approval to be able to relocate, consider I'm on probation. We have our own bounce house business. We're trying to make better, a better business for ourselves. We're trying to relocate to have a better
Well, I
business.
can appreciate that, but this is a sentence for a drunk driving conviction. And these are the provisions that the prosecutor and your attorney have worked out.
Other judges, there's no
well, first,
requirement for it to stay.
First, let me sentence him. I will put him on probation to the court for 12 months. I will order that he attend outpatient treatment. I will order that he be drug tested twice monthly. I will order that he complete the Mother Against Drug Driving course. Madam Prosecutor, besides those, what were the other ones that he had to complete?
Complete an alcohol highway safety education program.
A highway safety education program. And that is done by our probation department?
Yes, Your Honor, they will give him the instructions on how to comply with his probation. Additionally, Judge, he has to pay $35 per month in supervision fees, probation supervision fees, and pay all other court costs, fines, and fees.
All right, thank you.
And he has to attend, I'm not sure if you stated this, Your Honor, my apologies if you did, and be discharged in writing from an outpatient treatment program.
Discharge what?
Discharged in writing from an outpatient treatment program. Successfully.
Okay. So, Mr. Randolph, you have to complete all of those things. And you have to complete it to the satisfaction of our probation department. I don't care whether you're in state or out of state, as long as you complete the requirements that I'm sentencing to you to under this program, which is a $35 per month supervision fee, and to complete the highway safety program, the Mothers Against Drug Driving program. Those are all things you're going to have to comply with.
I understand. I just want to know, can I be able to relocate? That's it. I understand what I got.
No, not if you don't complete these requirements. I mean, I don't mind. I don't care if you call in from someplace else, as long as you still talk to our probation department and come back in Michigan and do what you have to complete the drunk driving programs. And if you don't, then you will not be in compliance with the sentence that I gave you.
Right.
Madam Prosecutor, is there anything you can enlighten him on in terms of, he says he wants to relocate, but that does not excuse him from what I've just ordered him to do.
I completely understand that. I just want your approval for me to be able to do that. I know what I have to do. I understand clearly what you're saying.
There's no problem.
I'm trying to get the prosecutor's input now, Mr. Randolph. Thank you. Madam Prosecutor, what do you think?
Thank you, Your Honor. I believe that he needs to set up arrangements with the probation department. If he wants to be in compliance with this probationary conditions, and they will let him know, or he will let them know if he is able to get everything done. Whether he's out of state or here, he has to comply with this, or it's my understanding if he does not, he could be subject to jail time.
He can be what?
He could be subject to jail time because probation is in lieu of going to jail.
All right. So you understand, Mr. Randolph?
I had another question. Are the classes virtual?
I think
You have to work that out with the probation department, sir. I'm the judge. I don't deal with probation issues. You need to call them and work those issues out.
Okay.
Thank you.
So okay.
Madam Clerk, does he have to come back to see us? Do you need to give him a date for compliance?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. It should be a 6-month review.
Give him the date so he'll know to come back.
Friday,
Yeah,
September
this is probably a
16th.
Zoom here and you can call in.
Friday, September 16th.
Same time, 8:35 a.m.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, sweet.
Now, in terms of your fines, you gotta pay the $35 per fee month. As far as, the drunk drive, Madam Clerk,
Yes, Your Honor.
the fines for OWI,
The statutory fines are, costs are $195. And then as far as the fine, that is up to $500. So that would be up to your discretion.
so it's 100, say that one more time.
195.
195 are the statutory costs, but the fine is up to your discretion. It'll be $35 a month for probation on top of that, and $10 per test. So if he's testing twice a week, I think it comes out to $240 a year for testing.
Okay, and then whatever I want to put on top of that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll leave it at that, Mr. Randolph. $245. That's a big break as far as I'm concerned.
I appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You got the new date?
Yes, September 16th, same time, 8:35.
All right. Thank you. Make sure you contact the probation department.
Oh, so hold on one moment. Who do I contact? Joseph still the same probation officer I got assigned to? I'm not sure who I'm talking to.
Your Honor, if I
Madam
could-
Prosecutor, tell him who he needs. Madam Clerk?
Yes, so Mr. Randolph, probation will notify you
Okay.
once they receive your order of probation.
Okay.
And the 245 that the judge gave you, that's on top of the other costs that we discussed. So
Okay.
it's 245 plus the 195 plus the probation oversight fees. So it's going to be more than that, but that'll all be spelled out on your order of probation that you'll receive.
Okay.
Now you're free to go.
Good luck with the bounce house. Make sure you keep them sanitized.
Most definitely. You have a blessed one.
Hey,
Okay,
good
you
luck
too,
with your
sir, Mr.
business.
Randolph. Good
Okay.
luck.
Thank you.
Don't be drinking and driving.
I'm not.
All right.